How to use copyright matching tool. The first thing, you will get to our YouTube studio here. We'll see our metrics. Then we'll come to the copyright button. Once we come to copyright, we'll see these are the matches. So if you come here and find that you don't have the matches, either YouTube has not enabled your copyright matching tool, or maybe you do not have any content that has either been submitted that is similar to your very own. So copyright matching tool we normally give us the video, the total views, the person who is matching to your content. Copyright matching tool finds videos that are similar to your very own and giving you a choice to do whatever to them. So it gives me a choice either to move to archive, either to request for video removal, or either contact the channel. Like I found one of the video here that has really, that I will say we can see how to application of KRA waiver, how to apply for KRA waiver penalty by payment defaulters. We can see it has total of 3 views. This is a person who has posted similar content to my channel. I think he stole my video. Is Antenna TV. We can see 100%. I have a chance to move it to archives. I have a chance to request for removal. I have a chance to contact the channel. I have one video I have not so far requested for removal, and I'm here that I want to submit a takedown request. It tells me there's a channel that they uploaded my video, how to remove 21 days PayPal on hold, what action to take after 21 days PayPal hold. I can see I contacted them, but they never reached out. So now today is the time to fire. I love to as the tutorial says, how to use copyright matching skills to request a copyright takedown request. So I'll come here and I'll come to this video. I'll be able to open the video. So we'll proceed to use copyright matching skill to request a takedown request. So we'll go to this video. I'll click and get the whole video. Once I click here, I'm sure it is taking me into a different tab. This is a video that somebody has picked it the way it is. You can see my video is so this is the person using my content. I will come here and I can see it. He has picked KRA default waiver application. He has the reviews. May 16th, 2023 is when they uploaded the video. And I'll come here and after seeing this video, what I will request to request for video removal. Once I request for video removal, I'll come here. You are assigned as lifestyle tutorials, video removal request 1. Remember that all copyrights rights content is eligible for removal. Some videos are protected by fair use and similar laws. So I will come here and add a video. I can see that type of work. I'll be able to select the type of work. It's not original song, software, artwork, live performance, copyrighted logo, others. It tells me type of copyrighted work. Enter the type of copyrighted work. I'll take you one on how to fill the request video removal form. Enter the details of the copyright removal takedown request. So I'm signed in as lifestyle tutorials. I'll say my content. My content is a video. So we'll be told to select the subcategory. From my YouTube channel, from another YouTube channel, from outside YouTube, from YouTube channel. So my video URL, I'll come check my video. I'll be able, this is my video. We can see that it was posted 1 year ago and it has for 5.9 views. So I'll come here and put my video URL. There my video URL is. Application for KRA waiver on how to apply for KRA waiver KRA penalty for defaulters. It will tell me location of of infringement content is not timestamp but the entire video. Now the infringing video, I'll be able to report this is a video. We can come here on YouTube, we can see this is a video. He has sent subscribers, he posted it 6 days ago. And after that we can see that add to-do list. We can see add to-do list. So we can see this infringing video, and this is my content. I'll say contact information is required, element of valid copyright takedown notification. Your physical address, phone number will remain confidential unless requested as part of a lawsuit. If YouTube is required to share information, we'll notify you before doing so. Keep in mind that copyright takedown request may also be sent to legal representative, but they have to submit takedown request from their own account. We can say the affected party is myself. We can say copyright owner name is Lifestyle Tutorials. Only the copyright owner or authorized representative can submit the removal request. This is my phone number request. This is my primary email address. Relationship, it tells me relationship to the copyrighted video. We can say that I am the content creator of the video in question. I generated the video idea. I drafted the YouTube script, I recorded the video and later uploaded it on YouTube. I'm a Kenyan, Nakuru town, the city. We can see the removal option. It tells me that I have options to remove. We can either say schedule a 7 days notice. Once the request is validated, YouTube gives the uploader 7 days to remove the request video and to avoid copyright strike. If they don't remove the video after 7 days, if they don't remove so you will give the person who has uploaded your content 7 days notice, where in 7 days notice, if they remove the video, they'll not get a copy strike. But now I opted, since this is my hard work, I opted to use the standard, the request removal. This removal can lead to a copy strike to the person who has used my content. YouTube request of the video. YouTube processes the request after the validation of the request. So we can see I'll have an option to click I prevent copies of this video from appearing on YouTube. Prevent copies on YouTube from appearing on the way forward. So if your takedown request is valid, YouTube makes its best effort to prevent new uploads from appearing on the platform. I certificate that I have worldwide exclusive rights to the content from which I'm requesting removal. Understand that by selecting option 1, my copyright owner will be displayed in the removal notice of YouTube, provided any further re-uploaded by allegedly infringing the videos, or my primary email address may be shared with the re-uploader upon request. So we can say that it tells me that I have a good faith legal requirements. I have good faith belief that use of the material in the manner complied is not authorized in my copyright owner. You will have to put ticks on this. You have to understand that abuse of this tool, such as submitting removal request of content I don't own, may request to termination of my YouTube account. It is that dangerous because YouTube cannot allow people to keep stealing other people's content. It's, I understand this tool submitting removal request for content I don't own may result to termination of the YouTube account. So make sure the information in this the information in the notification is accurate, and under penalty, I am the owner, an agent authorized to act on behalf of the owner, and an exclusive right to that is allegedly infringed. So I'll come. You make sure your signature contains full legal name, which is usually your first and last name as stated in the government issued ID. YouTube won't be able to process your request without this information. So I'll be able to put my signature, then submit the request. This is lifestyle tutorials. I'm sure the tutorial was very educative. Ensure you subscribe for more educative content. Thank you.